Hello, I'm founder and CEO of Some New Space. My name is Arthur, and we are inside our virtual reality persistent world where the economy and the ownership of all the items is built on blockchain. This is the huge world where thousands of people have their buildings and their possessions, their art galleries, their businesses, disco clubs, and whatever you can imagine is happening inside this world. And today with me is one of the biggest collectors in the space, Pablo.
Hello, this is Pablo Rodriguez Fraile. I'm a digital art patron, as well as being the curator behind Lot 555 collection, which is now one of the most significant digital art collections in the world. Let's do this.
You know, we're in virtual reality. So,
yes,
get ready and a little bit workout. All right, let's do it.
Okay, we're here. So welcome to the PAC building. And over here we have a extremely significant work, which is, PAC's first pixel that he sold. This was a big record or a big statement at the time, and it cost $7,000 at the time. And but the reality is that this really sparked a conversation around what is digital art, what can be considered art, and it was really the piece that started a lot of the social media engagement that started this movement. Over here we have a cube, where PAC is very known for these movements, for these algorithmic design, artistic expressions, where he takes different shapes and forms, and these movements are created that are, in my opinion, particularly pleasing and aesthetically very positive. All right, let's go to Wisby.
Okay, you lead the way. I'll follow you. Whoa, where did he go? Okay.
How do I do this?
Yeah, spread the way. Yes, perfect. Let us do the same and fly. You know that you can climb by grabbing the wall, and then it's possible.
Oh, I did not know.
Yeah. You can climb like this.
Oh,
yes, it's fun.
I didn't know. All right. So this is an artist called Wisby. Okay, yes. So the ones that are showing up just in this floor are from the same collection. These ones represent, different animals. In particular, through being a bear. And yeah, these are extremely rare. A lot of people find these bears particularly desirable. Right over here, this piece that you see, this gold one over here, that is the single most expensive art-related NFT ever sold directly.
Now you need to tell the price. Everybody wants to know the price.
That was $1 million. All right, let's go. This is probably one of my favorite buildings. Andres is very known for his both his physical and digital furniture, and again, it's a type of, we're trying to represent a little bit of his style, of his coloring, of the type of things that we would associate with Andres in a virtual environment, custom made to to his work. But if are
you live?
I am. If we go higher up here again, we have this is absolutely incredible. These are one over here. That one is different artist. It's called Chris Labroy, and that video, that scene is.
I'll risk my life here for this. All right. For this. Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Okay. 1 second. That feels intense, even in VR. I must admit. Not trying to fall down on this. Wait, can I? Okay, it's playing on my side right now, and now I can go back here. That was okay. It's playing now. You can start talking about it.
So this is another artist that is called Chris Labroy, and he's extraordinarily known for not only for this video, great piece. And then on top of here we have some pieces by Vini Nasso, which again, these are very significant pieces. This piece in particular has received many prizes around the world. All right, and then let's go to the last one, to the Beeple and Slime Sunday. So here, this is the space that we did. I'm sorry, the music is going to be difficult, but this is the space that we did for Blau and for Slime Sunday. As we know, Blau Justin is Slime Sunday's biggest collaborator, and this is I'll walk you a little bit through the different pieces that we have. This is, if we come over here, this is very interesting because this is actually represented in real life as a real object. Here we've tried to do the same thing where we represent it as a cube, but you can somewhat interact with it and touch it, and yeah, it's our representation of how this would look in real life. All right, and then we have Beeple.
Oh, now I'm hearing the music too. It's a good one.
Yeah, you're hearing the music?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a great one, but so this is all Blau's music. Which, by the way,
okay, now it's mixing together. Wait. Well, now, okay, now I know where it's coming from. 1 second.
It's coming from upstairs.
Yeah,
I don't know which one.
There's a lot of music coming. Yeah, it's a great song actually. I'll come back there.
All right, so welcome to Beeple's part of the gallery. So this is the most important Beeple work ever minted. This was part of the first collection, but this is the most important piece that he has released so far. Over here we have a 1 of a 100. It's very significant. It's connected to the piece that we were just talking about, to Crypto is Bullshit. This is called Politics is Bullshit. It was released right before the election. It was the first release, also part of the first collection, and it was sold for $1. And these pieces now are the symbol, the most significant pieces of the crypto art space in general. And these can go well over into the 6 figures, in some cases well over $250,000. Very, very, very significant work. Over here as well, we have, something very, 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 very important, which is a selection of Beeple's, best everydays from last year, from 2020. This will certainly be recognized as, a big part of the movement that happened over here. That's it.
All right.